Yeah, I think guys, we can start. We can access this recording also. Okay, so we have this EC2 server. We did an update from the YUM and it is working fine. Now you have updated the packages also. Okay. Now let's go to the RDS to whitelist it. Whitelist the things from the RDS. Let's go to RDS. Let's see the security group of this one in the networking. Okay, let me know where is the security group you'll get it.
I think first details only can say sir.
Details. Okay.
Or networking,
Okay. Let's go network.
networking, security, security,
Let's check
network,
CURITY. Yeah.
security groups.
So you copy the security group. Go to the RDS. In the RDS, where can I actually whitelist? Where can you find inbound and outbound?
Default SG in security tabs, sir. Down, a
Mm,
little bit down, a little bit down.
yeah, security tab.
Yeah, here. No, go a little bit up, sir.
Okay.
Security groups.
Yeah, you have security group.
Default VPC
Yeah.
security groups, right side.
Yes, but you need to whitelist in the inbound, right? So let's see what are the other things. Shall we see it in other one?
Inbound. Default, you will see everything, sir. Like inbound, outbound.
So shall we go for the security group of this? Select inbound. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Edit inbound rules. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now you have one. You can add up the rule saying that MySQL. Where is this MySQL? MySQL.
The the 3306, the second one is already there, I think, sir. Once check.
Yeah, we can because I have copied the instance. This is the
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
security group, which is, let's open the security group. The name is this one, right? Security group ID
Yes, sir.
here, and you have the console. Copy it. Yes, it is there. You have whitelisted it, but you didn't save it. Save the rule. Yes, you have whitelisted in the security incoming of it. Okay. Now you have a command. Now you have the EC2 server where you have updated everything. You have the RDS where you have this security group is whitelisted. In the MySQL, go use the name of this RDS, the username for this one, if password is required. So let's see the command how it is. Let's open the command. So this is the command which is which will be used. Okay. So, okay, I'll take a text file. Yeah, it's the same command. Okay, no, not same. You open this again. Okay, MySQL U, what is the DB name of it? Let's go to the DB name. This is EC2, right? What is the DB name? You can get the database in the database names. That is the 10 PM batch.
Endpoint, sir. Endpoint.
Yeah, we have the DB name. Am I right? And the endpoint. Where can you get the endpoint?
That is the endpoint, sir. Like connected. That is.
We don't have a copy option here, so we will remove this. And again, the DB name is 10 batch. Is it the DB name is correct?
Yes, sir. 10.
Yeah, I think we lost. Let's reconnect again. I have saved it, right? This is the only one. RDS hands-on on EC2. Is there any other one? Did I mess up? You put it, but we saved it, right? Yeah, Saturday.
Yeah, we say session.
Yeah. So let's do sudo su and see who am I. Yeah, it's a root and you name hyphen a will give you all the details of this server. Is it MySQL is installed or not? Yes, it is installed. Let's take the command here to connect to the RDS. Right click. Yes, that's it. Password which I have given here. Why is the error? Anything that we did wrong? Yes, MySQL 10 p.m. batch P with the permission header and this is the correct uh, point, endpoint and batch and the name. Anything that where we messed up, any it's by wantedly I have done it. Anything that you can rectify.
Sir, I use different command to connect to database. Can I show you, sir?
Sure. Let's run that also. Must have used bash, right?
But in this, we have
Yes,
to know the
this
admin name, sir, of the database. I have sent you on the chat. 1 second. For that, we need to know the admin and password of the database, sir.
yeah, we know that, right? This is the thing, right?
Yes, sir. In this
You
admin
can
and password, we have to find it, sir.
so endpoint. You have this endpoint.
And
This one.
admin, we can find it in settings of database, sir.
Greeting also you should have remembered. 10 p.m. batch. What is the is that? Is the instance which
Yes,
is the
sir.
name? How can you?
That we need to find the what is it? Admin name, sir.
How?
Mhm. Once go for configuration.
Let's take any action. What action will delete or any other thing? Let's modify.
Configurations. Yeah, we can find here admin. Once go for configuration, sir. Configuration tab.
Hmm,
Is there any admin name, sir, of the database?
yeah.
Master username admin. You have to press admin. I don't think you need password, sir. Remove dash p.
You don't need a
If
password.
there is password, I don't know, sir.
I have given the password. Right? So this admin error.
Using password, yeah. No password, sir.
No, in sense there is one mistake which is by wantedly I have kept.
What is it, sir?
I'm giving the correct password, but if there is an error, access denied. Okay, anyway, you have this recording and let me know as an assignment what mistake we have done. Is it as an hint? I can give you the second. Okay. Anywhere
So
in the
what is the
AWS something messes up, you first check the security group. Have you whitelisted it correctly? Have you used it correctly? Okay.
okay, sir.
So as an assignment, let me know what mistake we have done from this recording and what you have rectified and how you were able to provision RDS, provision other things and do it. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. I always remind me to close these databases. If you have any doubts, let me know. Always remember, guys, in the AWS, if you're missing something, first go and check your security groups. Go and check your parameters that you have selected. Just like 10 p.m. batch, I have selected admin as different one, right? And other things, but I'm using any other value here. So those commands should be run with from the delete. Let's go to EC2. EC2 dashboard, running instances, yes, action, instance state, stop instance, and then terminate instance. Okay, guys, any doubts? Let me know. Else we can call it a day. We'll
No,
connect
sir.
tomorrow for if everything goes well. We'll connect tomorrow for 2 hours. This is the recording session.
Okay, sir.
Anything, please ping me on the WhatsApp. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.